Good Tuesday evening. Thank you for tuning in to SurgeWeather.com. Let's get right into it. Here's a look at your weather bulletin. You can see that we are under wind chill advisory in the inland Cameron and coastal Willacy counties. I'm sorry, that is for both Cameron and Willacy counties, inland and coastal. That's a little bit confusing there. We are expecting a warm trend this week and nice weather for Valentine's Day. It's actually going to be a little bit warm for Valentine's Day. So here's a look at today's forecast for Wednesday, February 12th. Our record high was 92, set in 1995. Record low was 28 in 1955. Our sunrise this morning will be at 7:11 a.m. and 7:11 a.m. and our sunset will be at 6:23 p.m. By 6 a.m., you can see that most of the clouds should kind of move away from the region. If that does happen, that low forecasted will actually be a little bit lower than 45 degrees. So it could be dipping down into the lower 30s. So we'll be talking about that right now a little bit. For tomorrow afternoon, you can expect by 3 p.m. mostly sunny conditions with a high temperature of around 59 degrees across the Rio Grande Valley. That's an average temperature. The winds will be out of the north-northwest at about 10 miles per hour. By the evening, you can expect mostly clear conditions with northeast winds almost calm at about 48 miles per hour. So it will be a little bit cooler again tomorrow evening. Overnight tonight, you can expect temperatures. Like I said, if the clouds do kind of clear out the area, we can expect to dip down into the lower 30s to mid 30s across the upper Rio Grande Valley. Now, that is if the clouds move away. If the clouds stick around, we can expect to be in the upper 30s to lower 40s across the region. There is a slight chance of rain across the coastal counties tonight, so there is about a 20% chance for that to happen. Wednesday's highs, you can see partly sunny skies will dominate the area, with a little breeze out of the north-northwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Let's go back to the temperatures. You can see temperatures will be a little bit cool, especially at the coast with that cool breezy weather coming in from the coast, from the ocean waters. I mean, temperatures will be in the lower 60s across the upper Rio Grande Valley. Look at that, Edinburgh, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast for the McAllen metropolitan area. You could see on Wednesday we do have that high at 59. That's for tomorrow. On Thursday and Friday, you can expect temperatures to kind of climb back up into the 80s. Valentine's Day, look at that, sunny and warm. Temperatures will be in the lower 80s, so it will be a little bit warm for that day. But look at that, temperatures will kind of increase through the week, the end of the week, and into the beginning part of the week next week, before another small cold front comes in. That's going to be a very minor cold front. This might be it as far as the large Arctic air that sweeps through the Rio Grande Valley. We might see some little more, maybe one more strong cold front, but I don't think it will be nearly as harsh as these last few cold fronts we've seen. Here's a look at the Brownsville metropolitan area. You can see temperatures will be a little bit similar, just a little bit lower with that cool ocean temperature, kind of cooling down that area a little bit more. The winds will be shifting from the north to the southeast on Thursday, with bringing in warmer temperatures from the southern area. Here's a look at the drought monitor. This was updated February 4th. You can see that the Rio Grande Valley isn't doing too bad as far as the drought has been concerned. It's not as severe as we have seen in the previous months, so we are still improving on that, and hopefully we can get some good rains with the storm season that comes in about March or April or so. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. You can also find us on our SurgeWeather Spotter Network. Please join that. That will give us, you will be sending us information if you want to join. Send us information on storms or anything you kind of catch out there. And that is all we got for you today. Thank you for tuning in, and good night.